We welcome all great Telangana TV viewers. We all know that because of the ongoing pandemic, everything has come to standstill and no sports activities as well for the last 4 5 months. But there is some good news that England might play West Indies next month, and that series will be held in England, and West Indies are going to play 3 test matches in England. And there is also talk going on about the IPL. We all know that IPL has not yet been cancelled and it might be shifted to New Zealand, and that is the latest news. So we've got a senior commentator and sports analyst Srinivasan Sheshadri Srinivasan from Bengaluru. He in fact doesn't need any introduction, and he is with us today to give us the correct information. Hi Srini, we welcome you to the Great Telangana TV, and tell us something about the good news we are hearing about the commencement of IPL.
Yes, it's a very good idea to hold the IPL in New Zealand. New Zealand is a country where they have declared that it is totally COVID free. So apparently there's a big opportunity here to hold this long awaited Premier League. IPL being one of the foremost premier leagues in the game of cricket across the globe, I think the earliest opportunity we get to hold the matches, we should do it. So certainly I am of the view that we should go ahead holding this IPL league in New Zealand. Enough of arrangements will of course be taken care of, and the regular thing like the required quarantine measures as the players land into the country, etc. But that should all nowadays it looks more routine, so that should not be a problem at all. So this is a big opportunity, and this long-awaited league can come into play if New Zealand is chosen as the preferred venue given these conditions now.
Srini, we all know that West Indies is going to play 3 test matches in England, and that series is going to begin next month, but without spectators. So how is it going to be really? Will it be really irritating to the players?
Now with the West Indies team landing in England, so obviously there will be something to look for. Let us see how that is going to proceed. But only thing is that you are going to play without spectators. That is something very, very, very different atmosphere. But then I think for the time being, people will get used to it, because I am sure most of the players are just waiting to go for it. Very simple it is. They have to keep their fitness. They have to keep playing games. Unless you play a competitive game, you will not be in the fray at all. So apparently, so long as things are taken care, and then there is no going to be any major problem in terms of the health for the people concerned, why not? It should start, and definitely the football league in Europe will be a good starting point for other countries to follow, taking proper precautionary measures.
Sydney Olympics has been postponed to next year, but so many big events have also been cancelled and postponed. So how do you look at the future of all these events?
Yes, it is very interesting to know that the football leagues in the European countries will start shortly. That's a good initiative, because you cannot be indefinitely keeping quiet, because sport is a very important entertainment, that you know how much it is in Europe. So it's a bold, but I think the right step in the right direction, so long as we take the proper measures so that no further problems come in terms of the COVID virus. But then what is very important is that how do you handle it, how do you organize the event, how the players feel secure, and how they'll be taken care. And there are certain important aspects like taking care of fundamental areas of in terms of the hygiene or any other aspects which will be very important. If that is taken care of, why not? The leagues should start, and that will be a good move also. Yes, in fact, cricket also is commencing. That's a good sign. You can't keep cricket stopped for a long time in the international level. So apparently, probably they want to beat the COVID virus as well.
Thank you very much for joining us with the Great Telangana TV today, Srini, and we wish all the sports persons good luck.
నిరంతర న్యూస్ అప్డేట్ కోసం ఛానల్ ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. పక్కనే ఉండే బెల్ సింబల్ ను క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి. అప్డేట్స్ ని మిస్ అవ్వకండి.